Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, I'm excited. This is a new box for me that we will be unboxing today. This was a subscription that was given to me as a Christmas gift from my husband, okay? So the box that we're going to open today is the Kinder Beauty box, okay? For those of you who are not familiar with this box, I will leave details down below. But just to kind of give you a little bit of a background, I am a pescatarian, okay? And so with me being a pescatarian, my husband is very, very supportive of that. And he saw this box. And this particular box, the products that would appear in this box are those that are vegan and cruelty-free, that type of thing. So he says, let's see if you like this box and, we'll go from there. So here we go. So when we open the box, it says, oh, hey, let's do something kind today. And it's always clean, vegan, and cruelty-free. Okay, so there's a description card inside, and it looks like this, and it lets us know that this theme for this month is the You Sleigh box, and that sleigh spelled like a winter sleigh, okay? And on the other side, of course, it gives you a description of all the items that are enclosed. So let's just see what's going on. Okay, so the first item that we have is by UV Beauty, and this is the Helio antimicrobial blender. All right, it says designed to access those hard to reach areas. This blender boosts a slanted edge and tapered point, allowing you to make the most of those precious creams, liquids, and powders. Plus, the Helio is 99% bacterial free. Okay, we're here for that. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $19.99. So when we open it, this is what the blender actually looks like. Now I'm turning it sideways so you can see this slanted part that they're talking about, and has that bouncy part on the bottom. Very spongy kind of feeling, all right? And the box says this is dermatologist approved for sensitive skin. It saves up to 3 times as much makeup. It blends 2 times faster and better, and it reduces acne and breakouts. It's non-toxic, non-latex, it's vegan, and it's cruelty-free. Okay, how about that? Now, the only thing that I don't see is if they are suggesting that you use it wet or dry, okay? But we'll try it both ways and see how that works, okay? So this is the first item that we have. The next item that we have is by the company Flour Mill, and this is the Balm Shell, and it says a true all-in-one cleanser and makeup remover. The Balm Shell is designed to clean pores without stripping or drying out your skin. Okay, it says it leaves your skin hydrated and glowing. All right, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $32. And this is a 2-ounce size. And it says, this multitasking balm melts into the skin, removing makeup, excess oil, and other impurities left over from your busy day. It also works wonders as a hydrating mask or under eye cream. It is mango and shea butters that deeply hydrate, and while vitamin C rich, essential oils help to brighten your complexion. Now, it says that it does have a 12-month shelf life, okay? So I would love to smell it, but I'm not ready to use it as of yet. I just opened another one. So moving on to the next item. This one I am familiar with this brand, okay? And this is by the company Nomad. And this is an intense eyeshadow. And it says, this majestic powder has a shimmery golden brown hue and features 4 times finer pigments for an incredibly soft feel and easy application. A dash of evening primrose oil keeps your lids soft, lovely, and hydrated. Plus, this shimmer-tastic eyeshadow can be used as a highlighter. Who doesn't love a dual-purpose product, okay? And the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $12. Now, this one is a 0.05 ounce size. Of course, it is cruelty-free, and it is vegan, free of parabens, phthalates, and mineral oils. And it has a 12-month shelf life, okay? So let's just check and see what this particular shade looks like, okay? Now, I do love their packaging. It's a little sleek black packaging, okay? And, okay, this is a shade that I already have, and I have shown it to you on this channel previously, okay? So what do you think? All right, so let's move right along. Okay, the next item that we have is by 100% Pure, and it is an anti-acne sheet mask, and it says outsmart blemishes with this 100% pure anti-acne sheet mask. This clarifying sheet mask features a blend of antibacterial and anti-inflammatory botanicals and salicylic acid to help clean house on grumpy skin and clogged pores. And unlike traditional acne and blemish solutions, 100% sure, 100% Pure's sheet mask nourishes your skin instead of stripping it, okay? Now, this package has 1 mask inside, and it says intense blemish treatment and preventative treatment, okay? And let's see. Oh, my eyes just zoomed right in on the fact that it does have witch hazel in it. All right, it says it's natural, vegan, gluten-free, and it is non-toxic and PETA approved. Okay. So, oh, I like that. Can you guess why I like it? Y'all know how I am. This has an expiration date on it. And this expires in June of 2023. So how about that? We'll be using this one rather soon. Me or knowing my sidekick, she'll be down here in it. So let's see. There is one more item in this box. However, this box okay, there is all right, so this last product is not on our list. Okay, so I don't know if this means they ran out of the product or what the case may have been, but it's a product that I have already, and it's by a company that I know, okay? And this is by Arthur Beauty, and this is the Big Bang Mascara, okay? And let's see what the packaging looks like, the inside packaging, okay? So it is, yes, it's very minimal. with the packaging, but I do like the fact that it has iridescent letters on it. Okay, and let's see. This one, of course, is a cruelty-free and vegan product. All right, and even the packaging is printed with soy ink. All right. Now, I am familiar with the company Arthur. We have several palettes that are by them. Okay. And of course, the shade that this mascara is in is black. Now, I'll have to go in and check for a price for this, the manufacturer suggested retail price, because what is on our description card is the product that is not in here. Okay, so this was very, very interesting. Very interesting. So far, it doesn't wow me, but it is a nice box. Okay, I do, like the products that I have. I like this beauty balm. I don't want to tell you why right now, but I do have something that I'm working on with the beauty balm, and I will share that with you very soon. Okay, so let me know your thoughts down below. If you subscribe to the Kinder Beauty box, let me know your opinion about this box. Have you received previous boxes before? What did you think? Okay, for those of you who this is your first time seeing this box, let me know your thoughts down below. Okay, so I want to thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we opened up a new box to this channel. And these are the items that were included inside, and down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was inside. Okay, now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.